Hello and welcome to another video from flashcardsforkindergarten.com. In this video I'm going to introduce the sports cards. Now the sports cards comes with many flashcards as well as these two posters. The first poster is designed to be used with the sentence pattern, what do you play? For example, I play tennis, I play volleyball, or I play rugby. The second poster features the flashcards which feature ing. What do you enjoy doing? I enjoy swimming. I enjoy fencing. I enjoy cycling. The cards also include such flashcards as darts, pool, judo and karate. These must be explained by the teacher. For example, I do karate or I do judo. If you would like these flashcards as well as hundreds of other flashcards, please visit flashcardsforkindergarten.com. Thank you.